Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with the Blasting Lab. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lab, where today we have a 2016 BMW S1000XR on the lift, and we're going to be dry ice cleaning this. Now, we just acquired this bike, and well, it's not quite as clean as I would like it to be. So we're going to put the brand new ColdJet PCS60 to the test and see how well it can clean up this new S1000 to us. So let's take a look around the bike. Let's show you what we're working with, and then let's show you what this ColdJet PCS60 can do on all of this grime and grease and just so let's take a look around and see what we can do. All right, well, we are working outdoors today. The reason is because we actually have an Alfa Romeo GT V6 that we just actually completed. We did a full underneath cleaning for a good friend of mine, Peter Inshaw, and I think it came out pretty well. We didn't do a video on it just because it was kind of a learning experience, but we have the motorcycles down, and I really wanted to give you guys an up-close look at what we're working with. So we've got a bunch of grease down here in the radiator guards. This is going to be a good area to pay attention to. All of this extra bug splatter, the wheels. There's right here is some little tape from wheel weights. We're going to be able to clean that off. But then over on the engine cover, and then this is it. This is where we're going to be mainly focusing. This is where the chain comes in, and it's all just completely greasy in here. You can see how bad it is in there. All in here. This is all going to be able to be cleaned. We're going to get the chain cleaned. We are doing a chain and sprocket replacement on this particular bike, but we're going to be able to clean up the rear wheels, get all the underneath plastic cleaned, all of this stuff which you really can't ever clean. Same with all of this detailing in here. Little seepage of oil in there and back there. Again, rear brake master will be able to get cleaned up, and all this wheel. And then over to the front where the center stand was, and then back to the front caliper and all of this extra, just the gunk. We're going to be able to get this all clean. All right, so first things first, we want to get geared up. We want to have proper breathing apparatus. I've got this kind of filtration system, hood, Martian helmet that I use in particular. I don't want to be breathing in all of the CO2 and all of the grease particles that are going to be coming off the bike. So this is what I've chosen to go with when I'm doing the dry ice blasting. But this thing should have some good results. So I'll try to grab the camera. We've got another camera down here for time lapse, but let's get going on this thing. All right, well, here it is, all complete, and oh my God, this machine absolutely amazes me. So the complete time from top to bottom is about an hour, just with all of the fine intricates, but you know, this just does such a great number on this cast style metals, but all the cleaning all through there, all of this, I don't know if you remember that. The wheels, it cleaned the wheels just amazing. The brake rotors, all of the sensors, everything that is so hard to get into, all down through here, all down to the suspension. The front brakes, oh wow. All the rotors, all this, again, cleaned it all up. The wheels, rotors, all through the front. And actually we used it to clean up the windshield and the front plastics. All this plastic, we were able to kind of use it and get it cleaned up. And the front fender. And then back over to this side, of course, where just the amazing job was done cleaning this up. And the kickstand, everything, all the, how super clean it is. The chain and swing arm, I was able to actually get those stickers off there. It just like blew them off. But look at the sprocket, completely clean. Wheels completely clean. All the undercarriage, all completely clean. The motor, look at the motor, wow. And then we actually went up topside and cleaned in here, cleaned in all of the cluster, all of the little intricate areas that you just really can't get to with the levers. All of here, the mirrors were cleaned, all of this was all cleaned, all the way back to the tail. You guys know you can never get in there clean, and it's nice and clean, so very nice. Like I said, the cold jet PCS just amazed me. It's about an hour job. Used about 40 pounds of ice, maybe 30 pounds of ice. It's about a tub and a half in the cooler, but love it, love it. Now I can start working on it and I won't get dirty. So thank you guys for sticking around for another cold dry ice blasting, excuse me, with the cold jet PCS 60. I love it. And make sure you guys do the normal. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and then ring the bell notification. It's gonna give you a notification of future content like this. We also have new bikes. We have a huge garage full of motorcycles, so stay tuned and we'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.